Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn background. This is a great way to personalize your profile and make it stand out to potential employers or connections who visit your page. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and basic information. Click directly on your profile to access your full profile page. Now you're viewing your complete profile. At the top of your page, you'll notice your cover photo or background image spanning across the header. This is the area we're going to customize. Look for the camera icon positioned on your background or cover photo. This icon is your gateway to updating your visual profile elements. Click on it to proceed. A menu will appear with options for managing your cover image. From this menu, select Add Cover Image. This will open up your choices for changing the background. LinkedIn provides you with a few different paths here. You can either choose from images that LinkedIn suggests, or you can upload your own photo to make your profile truly unique. For this tutorial, let's click on Upload Single Photo. This option gives you complete control over your background image, allowing you to use something that reflects your personal brand or professional identity. Once you click this, your computer's file browser will open up, letting you navigate through your folders. Browse through your files and select the image you want to use as your new LinkedIn background. Choose something professional that represents you well, then click to upload it. The image will begin uploading to LinkedIn. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this might take a moment, so just be patient while the upload completes. After the image finishes uploading, you'll see it displayed in a preview window. LinkedIn will show you a highlighted area where you can adjust the positioning of your image. This is important because you want to make sure the most important parts of your photo are visible and properly centered. Click and drag the image to adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks. Once you've positioned everything perfectly, look for the button that says Save Changes and click it. LinkedIn will process your new background and apply it to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn background with a fresh new look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.